If you've been searching for the latest AI software to take your content creation to the next level, Fast Articles AI might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. In this review, I'm breaking down the 7 most crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software and how it can revolutionize your approach to content writing. Stick around until the end because I'll also be sharing my personal recommendations for other AI tools that I trust after trying thousands of them. And yes, you can try Fast Articles AI for free with the link below. Let's dive right in. First up, Fast Articles AI is designed to create high-quality, engaging content in minutes. Whether you need articles, blog posts, or social media copy, this software can generate it with minimal input from you. The key here is that the AI doesn't just spit out generic content, it produces unique, contextually relevant articles that can save you hours, if not days, of work. The second thing you need to know is how quickly it works. Fast Articles AI isn't like other AI tools that require a long setup time. You can start generating articles almost immediately. It uses advanced algorithms to understand the tone, structure, and style of the content you want, so you don't have to spend time tweaking it afterward. What you get is ready to publish content straight from the platform. Now let's talk customization. Fast Articles AI lets you customize the output according to your needs. You can adjust the tone of voice, choose the level of detail, and even decide on the style, whether that's formal, conversational, or something else entirely. This makes it a great tool for a wide range of industries, from bloggers to digital marketers and even e-commerce businesses. Another point to consider is how well it handles SEO. As you probably know, SEO is critical to driving traffic, and Fast Articles AI doesn't fall short here. It integrates key SEO principles to ensure that the content it generates is optimized for search engines. This means better visibility, more traffic, and ultimately more leads for your business. Speaking of businesses, Fast Articles AI is great for scaling up your content production. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, this software helps streamline your content creation process. You can generate multiple articles at once, all while maintaining consistency and quality. This is especially helpful if you're managing a content-heavy website or running a blog that needs constant updates. But the big question you might be asking is it worth the investment? Well, Fast Articles AI gives you a free trial so you can test it out for yourself. You can create content and see how it works with zero commitment upfront. This is a huge benefit for anyone looking to explore the tool before making any financial decisions. Lastly, Fast Articles AI is continually improving. The development team behind the software is regularly releasing updates to enhance functionality, improve accuracy, and add new features. This shows their commitment to staying ahead of the curve in the competitive world of AI-driven content creation. To wrap things up, if you're tired of spending hours writing articles or struggling to come up with fresh content ideas, Fast Articles AI could be your solution. With its speed, customization options, and SEO-friendly features, it's a powerful tool for anyone looking to boost their content game. If you're interested, make sure to check out the free trial link in the description below and give it a try yourself. Plus, after experimenting with thousands of AI tools, I've curated a list of the best ones, and I've got them all linked in the description, so you can start using the most effective AI software for your needs today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.